Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to show you how to make a smash burger. Couple of shout outs before we start. One to my new Patreon super fan, Chelsea, yay! And also to a normal Patreon fan, Vivek Yelor. Thank you guys, I do appreciate it. Now, until maybe a week or two ago, I'd never heard of a smash burger. Yes, it's true. But then I had a comment from Anthony 1974 who said, you should try making a smash burger. So I looked it up and yeah, I should, I will, I am. And it's the archetypal original American diner burger where you just take a meatball, you know, basically a ball of minced beef, and you put it on your griddle and you smash it down flat, and that's it, you cook it. So this runs contrary to everything I've ever heard about how to make a burger, because, you know, compression is your enemy because it squeezes out the juices and things, and yeah, everything about it is wrong. So, except apparently they're really tasty because they're so thin and cooked so quickly and hot. You get a nice crust developed on the outside, you know, your old burnt crunchy bits, or to be scientific, the Maillard reaction. So yeah, I can't wait to have one. I'm going to do it now. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a like, share, subscribe, become a patron, make a donation, all of that wonderful stuff. Yeah? Okay. End of. Let's do it. Let's cook. As always with burgers, it's best to grind your own meat or mince your own meat, because unless you're standing there in front of a butcher telling him what to do, you have no idea what's gone into it. And some of the stuff that goes into minced beef is not what you would normally call beef. But I digress. So I've got 460 grams of braising steak, as it's known in the UK, chuck steak in other places, and it needs to be 20% fat. Now, because I got this pre-packaged from a sort of butchery chain that, you know, can't or won't do things the way you like it, most of the fat was cut off. So I've got some extra fat, and this is actually pork fat. I think it'll be okay. If you want a lean burger, you don't want a burger. It's got to have that amount of fat to give it the juiciness, the richness that we want. So there you go. Right, I need to mince it. I've got the mincing machine. The rest of it is in the freezer, because it's best to have your things really cold when you do things like this. Okay, so I've got my frozen bowl and my frozen thingy, and I just need to assemble it. Oh, it's cold. We have a problem. Problem is me doing it wrong. You have to put this in first. I've only done this about 1,000 times, so you know, I'm not really used to it. And then the scrolly thing goes in. And then the cutty thing. And then the medium plate. Now I need to cut my beef into bits that will go through the mincer and mince it to bits. Seriously, that is one insanely loud machine. I'm going to whack it all through again on the medium plate again. Okay, there's our lovely mince. Now you just want to grab balls of that, 60 grams, a couple of ounces. So that's made 8 little proto patties, and I'm just going to cover these in plastic film and stick them in the fridge until we're ready for them, because we have to get all the bits and bobs ready because once you start cooking these, it takes, you know, a couple of minutes. So yeah. Got all my other ingredients ready. I've got some thinly sliced onion, some dill pickle, gherkins, some homegrown lettuce, essential, and some slices of tomato. I've also got a dollop of my special sauce, which the recipe for that you'll find it on my Big Mac copycat video, and I'll put a link down there somewhere. Also a slice of not really cheese for each burger. These are I got them from Tesco's, don't know if you can see that. 10 slices of what? It doesn't say. 10 slices, source of calcium. On the back, sneakily, it says processed slices made using a blend of cheese, vegetable oil and milk proteins. In the detailed ingredients it says it's 60% cheese, and yeah, that will be perfect. And also something to put everything in. I always have a problem with burger buns, as you know. Anything sold in a supermarket that says it's a burger bun is going to be unfit for purpose, really. You know, too sweet, they're too soft, they fall apart, they're rubbish. Brioche buns, yeah, fine. But what I'm trying today is English muffins. These are actually oven bottom muffins, and I picked up the wrong pack. I've got the brown ones, the wholemeal ones. So it'll be healthy. So that's good. Right, time to smash our burgers. Right, you're supposed to use a griddle, you know, a flat, like a plancha, flat iron, hot plate, which I suspect most people don't have in their house. I don't. You could use a frying pan, but then that limits how many you can do at any one time. So I'm going to improvise. I've got a baking sheet, and it's spanning 2 gas rings, so hopefully that'll work. I'm also toasting a bun. I'm only doing 1 smash burger right now. I'll do more later when you're not watching, for when Mrs. KeefCooks comes home for a taste test. So you want some oil on your griddle. I'm actually going to use just a scraping of beef dripping, because, well, I've got some. I think it'll be wonderful. When the griddle's nice and hot, you put your meatballs on it and you press them down with a spatula and a rolling pin on top of that. You don't actually smash it like the name implies, which is a shame, but, you know, could be messy. So when you've got your burgers squashed flat, just give them a good sprinkle of sea salt and a generous grind of black pepper. Seems like a lot, but it can take it. And then when you see brown crinkliness around the edges, flip it over and put a slice of not really cheese on one of them and cook for a bit until that melts, and then you're done. Right, time to build it. So there's our toasted bottom, some lettuce, any kind of lettuce as long as it's cold and crispy, some onion, and then the patty with the cheese on it. Oh yeah. Then the other patty. Wow. That top end of the griddle wasn't quite as hot as it could have been, but never mind. Tomato, pickle, and a good old dollop of a special sauce on the inside of the lid. Whoa. That there is a smash burger. Okay, smash burger.
Oh, don't stop without me.
Mrs. KeefCooks. Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
Okay.
Okay.
Stand back.
Yeah, I've got that bit.
Ta-da!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I've had 2 of these already, so.
You have not.
Mm.
You couldn't eat that much.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is really good.
Oh yeah. Oh. I like that.
Tell me about the special burger sauce. What is it? Mayo? Tomato? What's in it?
Yeah. Mayonnaise. Oh god.
That's alright. I'll just enjoy it.
Mayonnaise, mustard, white wine vinegar, finely chopped pickle, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika.
Yeah, well that worked. Burger's really nice as well.
We have to get a plancha.
Oh what?
A plancha.
What's a plancha?
A griddle thing.
Oh right. Oops. Oh yeah. So, ground up meat, put in a bun with the salted salad and cheese. This could possibly catch on, you know.
And
If
the,
you
the
promote
worst
it.
cheese in the world.
I'm not asking because I might upset people from across the pond.
It's a bit processed.
It's 10 slices of source of calcium.
Told you.
I hope there's some more of these because I'm hungry.
Tough. You like?
Yeah, fun with buses. Right, my darling.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
And I'm going off to sulk now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
I was never any good at choreography.